Hey guys, it's Miss Allen, and I am here to tell you what you're going to be doing today on Monday, August 17th. Okay, so first, last week we posted a video of all of the lab safety rules, and we want to make sure that you have watched that and have been over them. So make sure you go back and watch that if you have not yet, because you need to go over those to do what we are doing today. Okay. So safety is extremely important, especially in the lab, because there's a lot of really, really dangerous things that can happen. So you need to go over those to make sure that you are safe at home when you do your labs and at school. Okay, and this goes for as long as you're in school. All right. After this video, the first thing you're going to do is watch a video from Auburn that goes over some lab safety stuff, talks about some scenarios and stuff that are dangerous in the lab. So we want to make sure that you watch that. You also are going to do this lab safety virtual gallery walk. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So here is your lab safety virtual gallery walk, and it is posted in your Schoology. All right, so first thing you're going to do is write your name. Obviously, I'm not a student, so I'm going to use Scooby as my name. You're going to pick your teacher. I'm Miss Allen, and then your block that you're in. All right, make sure you use your actual name, and let's write our first and last name. Okay, since we're still getting to know you. All right, then click next. And what you're going to see when you pull this up is a series of pictures. And in these pictures, you're going to see that these people are breaking some lab safety rules. So what you're going to do is look at the picture, and then below it is a list of all of our lab safety rules. So you're going to pick as many of those as you think are being broken in the picture. Now, most of them have multiple. I think there's only one or two that only have one lab safety rule being broken. So you need to make sure you go through and read all the lab safety rules and pick every single one that you think is being broken, right? So that means multiple answers, right? At the very end, make sure, I'm going really fast so you can't see, but make sure you press submit so that we can grade those, all right? After you're done, there's something I want you to make sure that you do. I want you to make sure that you and your parents have done the virtual lab safety form, all right? It's at the very bottom of the syllabus, which is posted on last Thursday on Schoology. So if you scroll to the very bottom of the syllabus, there's a link. And if you click on that link, you need to sign that. You cannot come pick up your lab boxes today until that is signed and on file. So remember that lab box pickup is from 3 to 6 in the LMS car line out front. And you'll sign off that you picked up your box, and you'll be ready to go. Now, something else I want you to do when you get home, we're going to give you a list of things that should be in your lab box. And I want you to go through and check those things off to make sure that everything is in there, because we want you to be able to do all of your lab. We need to know pretty quickly if you don't have something in your box so we can get it to you. Make sure if you have any questions that you send us an email to ask, especially on this virtual gallery walk. It shouldn't be too difficult, but make sure you take your time and don't rush through it. So again, if you have any questions, make sure you ask us, and we will see you live tomorrow for some notebook setup. So make sure you also have your composition notebooks tomorrow, okay? All right, we'll see you then. Bye, guys.